Check the water pressure before installation. The minimum site pressure should be 1.5 bar. If it's below this, we recommend you install one of our range of pumped softeners. If the pressure is above 3 bar, then a pressure reducing valve should be fitted prior to the softener. Once all the plumbing work is in place, you will be ready to install the water softener. Ensuring the inlet, outlet and bypass valves are closed, ensure the correct direction of flow and begin by connecting the inlet and outlet hoses from the pipework to the back of the softener. Then insert the drain hose into the drain standpipe and overflow to the outside or alternative drain outlet. It is important to ensure that there are no kinks in any of the hoses, as this may cause flooding. Plug in the softener at the mains and turn on the electrical supply. Now it's time to program your new water softener. The PC Autosoft valve has been factory set to the parameters required for the softener size. The factory regeneration time is 2 AM and the regeneration frequency is 3 days. To alter these settings and set the time of day, press and hold the up arrow until the program icon appears. Ensure the pointer is directed at the clock icon in the top left and use the up and down arrows to set the time. To change the regeneration time, press the mode button once and the pointer will move to the regen time icon. Use the up and down arrows to set the new regeneration time. Press and hold the regen button for 2 seconds to exit the program mode. If you then press the mode button 5 times, the screen will return to show the time of day. To alter the regeneration frequency, press the mode button 3 times for the pointer to move to the regen icon. Press and hold the up arrow button until the icon appears again. Once appeared, use the up and down arrows to set the new regeneration frequency. Once again, press and hold the regen button for 2 seconds to exit the program. Then press the mode button 3 times to revert the screen back to the time of day. Slowly open the inlet valve to allow water to enter the softener. Press and hold the regen button until you hear the valve move and the display shows 1-7. The water will run to drain. This may be a brown colour at first, however, it is a stain washing out the softener resin and will do no harm. It will clear in approximately 2 to 3 minutes. During this time, fill the cabinet with approximately 6 inches of cold water. Return the softener to service position by advancing through the regeneration cycle. This is done by long pressing and releasing the regeneration button until the screen returns to the time setting. Slowly open the outlet and check the bypass is set to closed. Fill the cabinet approximately 2/3 full of tablet or pebbled salt. Your softener is now ready for use.